Alright, so I'm doing a video on this Bambu Lab A1 combo someone sent me. So we're going to do some destructive testing. Apparently this is the one with the bad bed cable. So we're going to plug this in and poke the cable around and see if it causes any issues. We have the fire extinguisher on standby. I guess I will do some accelerated wear testing on this. Here's our cable. Seems like it's holding together pretty well. No problems here yet. I don't think there's really much of an issue here. Oh wait, I haven't turned the heated bed on yet. That's probably part of the issue. So let's go ahead and get this started. If it survived that bit of abuse, I'm going to be very impressed. Oh no, the bed's warm. That's very interesting. I mean, even after smashing this cable up pretty good, it seems like the heated bed still works. Maybe we'll give it a little more testing. There we go. And it just turned off. Oh wait, no, it came unplugged. Yeah, I think this bed cable issue might have been blown out of proportion. So we'll go ahead and start that up again. There we go. Calibration completed. Okay, we're ready to print. So let's just turn the bed on. We'll set this to 100 degrees. And we'll just keep whacking it with the stick until something happens. Oh man, I'm getting tired of hitting this printer with the stick. Other than the main cable coming unplugged, it doesn't seem like anything bad has happened yet. This isn't turning out how I was expecting it to. I think I need to step up my tactics, so let me get something else. Alright, this ought to do the trick. Okay. It still isn't causing an issue. I'm impressed. What? It's even cut in half now, and nothing bad happened other than the power cord coming unplugged. Huh. Well, I guess you definitely wouldn't want to touch these wires as they might be hot. Seems somewhat safe to me. I'm not gonna make any official recommendations, but really doesn't seem like anything that bad has happened here. Okay, so I guess we'll call it quits for that experiment. Nothing bad really happened. So the story with this thing is basically someone got fed up waiting for Bambu Lab tech support to send them a replacement bed cable, because this is one of the generations that was having an issue with possibly the cable sparking and starting a fire. I didn't find that to be too much of an issue with my exhaustive testing, but I was under instructions from the person who gave it to me to destroy it, so I have some help today. Why don't you guys introduce yourselves?
Hey guys, my name's Jarrett.
Alex. All right, and Jarrett, you actually run a 3D printing kind of operation.
I specialize in replica armor, cosplay pieces, helmets, you name it. Stackingplastic.com.
Cool. So yeah, if you need some stuff made, he's your guy. But today he's gonna help me destroy this thing. So I know we're all kind of sad because this is actually a pretty good printer, but you know, an order's an order, especially coming from someone who was nice enough to donate it to me. So
being here with Nathan, we gotta make sure we do our experiments with it.
Yeah.
I'm curious about the linear rails. I want to make sure that they hold up pretty tight. So
okay,
let's just go ahead and see if
it's making a little bit of a grinding noise.
probably check that belt.
That didn't hold together very well.
Not really, no.
No, it came apart in like 5 pieces, so we'll have to clean that up.
You know, we're checking linear rails. Might as well check the bed as well. So
yeah,
let's go ahead and see if
ooh, that sparked.
I mean, I think it's pretty tight on the bed. That's good.
Yeah, let's see. Well, my tape is kind of binding it up, but I think it's holding together pretty well.
Oh. Didn't. Huh.
Oh man, now we have to hang it up again. The test isn't over.
That should hold up in there real well.
Yeah, so now seems like a good time to test the X-axis motor. I'm really curious to see if that's going to hold together over severe use cases.
Severe use. All right.
There we go. Yeah. Yeah, that's a well-built frame.
All right. I know you checked out the cable, and you know, I still see a little bit left on there.
Yeah, careful with that. Oh, it's not plugged in. Okay, never mind. We're good.
All right. Well, is it turned off?
Oh yeah, turn it off.
There we go.
Better be safe.
Safe and sorry.
Okay. The bed's sustained some damage there.
One more.
We have to keep going until the whole like base and frame come apart.
I agree. Right.
So sorry to keep you guys working so hard.
We can go.
Cool. Hey, I actually need one of these. Let me just take that out. Hopefully that still works.
There we go.
All right, sweet. I hope this motor still works because I need one of these for a project too. Oh yeah, the bed's already
All right.
off there.
Better than you found it, right?
Yeah, all right. So if Bambu Lab wants to put me back in their affiliate program, I'm open to the opportunity, so just send me an email. You know where to find me. Cool, so yeah, A1 held up pretty well. Overall, I wouldn't say it passed the test, but it did a pretty good job.